Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve an interesting problem from LeetCode, number 1550, called 3 consecutive odds. This problem is categorized as easy, but it's a great exercise to practice your logic and loop skills. So let's dive into it. We are given an integer array R. We need to return true if there are 3 consecutive odds numbers in the array, otherwise we will return false. Here we have 2 examples where R is 2, 6, 4, 1 and we return false because there is no 3 consecutive odds, and R is 1, 2, 34, 3, 4, 5, 7, 23, 12, and we will return true because 5, 7 and 33 are 3 consecutive odds. So let's dive into coding. We will first of all initialize a counter to keep track of how many consecutive odds number we encountered. So we will use a counter for that. Then we will loop through each number in the array. For it we will use num of R. Then for each number we will check if it's odd. A number is odd if remainder when divided by 2 is not 0. Then we will update the counter number is odd and we increment the count. If the current number is even, we reset the counter to 0 because we are looking for consecutive odds number. During each iteration, after updating the counter, we will check if it has reached 3. If it has, we return true because we found 3 consecutive odds numbers. If we finish the loop without the counter reaching 3, we will return false. So let's start from the left. Count will be equal 0 to store. After we make a for loop with let num of R. After it we will divide by num by 2 and make checker is it not equal to 0. Then we will increment a count, and if count equal 3 we will return true. If else we will return count equal 0 and reset function, and at the end we return false. So let's go through this code quickly. We start by initializing count to 0, then we loop through each element in our array using nums. After it we check the numbers of array, increment the count, and if a count equal true we will return equal 3 we will return true, and else we assign count to 0 and return false. So let's test this. And submit. And that it's. We have successfully solved the 3 consecutive odds problem from LeetCode. This solution effectively checks for 3 consecutive odds number in a single path through the array, making it both time and space effective. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumb up, subscribe to my channel for more coding tutorials and problem solving strategies. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.